Hi, today I'll talk about avionics. What are avionics? Avionics are the electronic systems used on aircraft, artificial satellites, and spacecraft. Avionics systems include communications, navigation, display, management of multiple systems, and the hundreds of systems that are fitted to aircraft to perform individual functions. These can be as simple as a searchlight. Types of avionics. Communications. Communications connect the flight deck to the ground and the flight deck to the passengers. Onboard communications provided by public address systems and aircraft intercoms. Navigation. Air navigation is the determination of position and direction on or above the surface of the Earth. Avionics can use satellite navigation systems such as GPS, inertial navigation system, ground-based radio navigation systems, or any combination thereof. Monitoring. The first hints of glass cockpits emerged in the 1970s when flight-worthy cathode ray tube screens began to replace electromechanical displays, gauges, and instruments. A glass cockpit is an aircraft cockpit that features electronic flight instrument displays. Aircraft flight control system. Aircraft have means of automatically controlling flight. Autopilot was first invented by Lawrence Perry during World War I to fly bomber planes steady enough to hit accurate targets from 25,000 feet. Most commercial planes nowadays are equipped with aircraft flight control systems in order to reduce pilot error and workload at landing or takeoff. Fuel systems. Fuel quantity indication system monitors the amount of fuel aboard using various sensors such as capacitance tubes, temperature sensors, densitometers, and level sensors. The fuel quantity indication system computer calculates the mass of fuel remaining on board. Collision avoidance systems. Collision avoidance systems detect the location of a nearby aircraft and provide instructions for avoiding a mid-air collision. Smaller aircraft may use simpler traffic alerting systems such as TPAS. Flight recorders. Flight recorders, or more commonly known as black boxes, store flight information and audio from the cockpit. They are often recovered after a crash to determine control settings and other parameters during the incident. Weather systems. Weather systems are important for aircraft flying at night, where it is not possible for pilots to see the weather ahead. Heavy precipitation or severe turbulence are both indications of strong convective activity. Aircraft management system. There has been a progression towards a centralized control of the multiple complex systems fitted to aircraft, including engine monitoring and management. Health and usage monitoring systems are integrated with aircraft management computers to give maintainers early warnings of parts that will need replacement.